Next, permutations should not be together with a difference. What is the difference? I will tell you now. See here. Leave the question later. Look at this example. China mugs are all separated from each other. Means beside a China mug, another China mug should not come. Accepted? Next. No brownie is next to another brownie means beside a brownie another brownie should not come. It's clearly stated. Next. Women are not next to each other means beside a woman another woman should not come. Either this side or this way. Women should not be beside each other. Understood these three examples? Now look at this sum to understand what that difference is. A staff car park at a school has 13 parking spaces in a row. There are 9 cars to be parked. If the parking is random, find the number of ways that there will not be 4 empty spaces next to each other. Here the difference between this statement and all these 3 statements is 4 empty spaces should not be next to each other means 2 empty spaces can be next to each other. That is the catch here. Whereas in this case, beside woman, no woman should be there. But over here, 4 empty spaces should not be next to each other means 2 can be next to each other. If you get that catch, you will get correct answer for this sum. 4 should not be next to each other. That means 3 empty spaces can be next to each other. Even 1 empty space preceded and followed by a car is also possible. 1 empty space single. 2 empty space together, all the 3 empty spaces together, or 1 empty space here, 2 spaces here. In any way it's possible. If you get this catch, 4 empty spaces next to each other means it could be 1 empty space, 2 empty space, 3 empty space, or it could be this way also. I need to find for each and add. Instead what I do is I find the total. From the total I remove when 4 empty spaces are together. I have more than one option. I cannot find for each and add. So whenever I have got multiple options, what I do is from the total I do opposite of this. 4 empty spaces next to each other, not next to each other means you make them next to each other. 4 empty spaces together, subtract from the total, will be resulting in all these possibilities. That is a catch for this sum. 4 empty spaces should not be next to each other means 2 can be next to each other, 3 can be next to each other, or 1 can be single. So for these kind of options, you need to do total minus 4 empty spaces together. Clear? That is the difference between this one and those statements. Now next. Total how many ways do I have? 13 places to park, say 9 cars. So 13 P9. 4 empty spaces should be together means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. If I consider these to be 1 unit, 1 along with 9. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13. 1 along with 9 cars, 10. These 10 can shuffle in 10 ways. And now inside this block, did you understand? 9 cars and 1 10. These 10 can shuffle in 10 ways. Now inside the block, these empty spaces can also shuffle in 4 ways. Since they all are same by 4 factorial. Okay. This is the answer. Did you understand? Now, next one. Instead of asking the number of ways, let us assume he has asked for you to find the probability. Then what is the change in the answer? The only one change in the answer would be, whenever they are asking for the probability, you need to divide by the total number of ways, which is 13 P9. So this is the answer if probability is asked. If probability is not asking, till here is the answer. Probability is asked means you need to divide by the total number of ways.